All right, so in this quick little video, I'm going to show you all the different ways to use your Versa grips. This little curve right here is for your thumb. So this one is for my left hand because that's where my thumb is going to go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it palm side, okay? And then I'm going to wrap this around through and then pull it tight, okay? So again, where this is, that's where my thumb goes, okay? And it's just right around my wrist. So you can use these as wrist support too, or you can also just turn them around and use them on the back to get out of your way. So in between, like if you're doing something with them and then something without them, I will flip it around so it's not in my way, okay? For tightness really quick, you just want it comfortable. You don't want it to squeeze. Sometimes I'll tighten it up for the exercise and then loosen it when I'm done, but that's up to you. So again, here's the right arm. So I'm gonna put it underneath my hand and then buckle up. Okay, so I'm gonna show you all the different ways how to properly wrap it around the bar, and then just some other hacks to make lifting a little bit easier. But this should definitely take a lot of pressure out of your forearm so that you can focus on the muscles, okay? We're gonna start off with a barbell, how to wrap it around for your barbell. And you might use these when you're doing barbell deadlifts, bent over row. Anytime when you're gripping the bar and you're like a pulling motion or a holding motion, then this is going to be beneficial, okay? All right, so another popular favorite is dumbbell squats or sumo squats. So when you have to hold the dumbbell vertically with your fingers, they might get sweaty and slip. So what I'm gonna show you is how you can use this rubber just for traction. You're not gonna wrap it around anything, but you can use it for traction.